sanitizer.
Mine's not bad.
Crystal!
Yes.
Listen to me whistle.
Wow. Okay.
Daddy teaching me that.
Okay, stick your finger in the bowl. The pepper, just one finger. Now lift your finger up. You see how the pepper is sticking to your finger?
Yeah.
Now clean your finger. So the pepper is the germs. Okay, now you have a clean finger. Stick it in. Whoa. Do you see how the pepper went?
Yeah.
That's what happens when you have clean hands. The germs separate. Isn't that crazy?
Do you think your hands are clean?
Stick your finger in.
Finger's dirty.
You've got germs. Clean it really good.
Okay,
Now put it in the
try
pepper.
Now put it in.
Whoa!
Whoa! Isn't that crazy? You see how it's important to have clean hands and the germs don't stick to them. Do you know how many seconds you're supposed to wash your hands for?
20.
Ding, ding, ding.
Good job.
Nice. Hello.
What's up, YouTube?
For today's video, we're gonna show you, that's our special guest backstage. We're gonna show you how to make hand sanitizer at home. And it's so simple that we're gonna have our two little nieces help us today, Blake and Sage, and they are 4 and 7. Look how cute they are. These two cute faces are the reason why you didn't have a premiere this morning. We were spending time with them yesterday and it was so much fun.
Yep, family first.
Always. So let's get started and show you what you're gonna need, and the girls are gonna actually, maybe they'll be the demonstrators.
Yeah, what colors did you guys pick?
So I chose pink.
Okay, you can take it.
Like you chose purple.
All right. And then I have this blue one.
And I have the white one.
Or clear, whatever you wanna call it.
Yeah, something.
So all you're gonna need is an essential oil, which you just put a couple drops of, because if you put too much, it dries your skin out. No one likes dry skin, that's gross. Some aloe gel and rubbing alcohol. People normally suggest that you have at least 90% for your rubbing alcohol, but I couldn't find any, so we're gonna settle for 70.
That works.
And it's just 2/3 and 1/3 and a couple drops. You ready, girls? Okay, here we go. Here you go. Which one do you like to hold right? You right? So what I'm gonna do is pour it in this cup. I'm never prepared.
Fork.
Use a fork.
No. I used it as fork for bubbles.
You used it?
Bubbles.
You ready?
I'm using.
Okay, pour it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Good job.
I thought that was his cookies.
Okay, one more. Go. Okay, now you're gonna get your aloe, which again, I probably didn't, oh nice, it's already open. I don't prepare, I'm not very responsible. Ooh. Pour. Nice.
It's turning green.
It's turning green. Now, do you want to do the drops by yourself? Or do you want me to do it?
I want to do it
Okay.
by myself. Can you just do the whole
Do a couple drops. Just go 1, 2. 1. Oh, that was a good one. That was perfect. Or one big one. That works too.
Just gonna have a nice lavendery.
Nice smelling. Do you want to pour it or do you want me to pour it? So you're going to do 2 of those and 1 of this. Nice. So Sage
Good job,
is a
Sagey.
slime pro. She knows how to make slime, so this is probably super easy for her.
Yep.
It's a little bit tricky to squeeze. You want me to squeeze it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. There you go.
Look how much I got.
Oh, I know. The green kind of looks like slime, doesn't it?
It smells like hand sanitizer.
It does, right?
Smell. Smell it.
Perfect.
There you
Smell
go.
it.
It's
Ooh,
strong,
it
huh?
does. Now take this and mix it. Give it a little mix.
All I smell is this.
Yeah, the rubbing alcohol. Good job, Blakey. See, it's so simple, a 4-year-old can do it. But she's also a very, very smart 4-year-old. She's very advanced. Good job, Blake.
She was hiding slime. We were playing a game where she had to hide slime, and she put it in a plastic egg and hid it in the very back of a closet.
We would have
Oh,
never
man.
found it, right? I watched Rachel Ray do it.
Nice, huh?
Next one in this.
You want me to do it?
No, I don't want to.
I know, it sounds a little dangerous. You see how it's a small circle?
So how about hold it and you put it in.
Compromise.
Okay.
I don't know though.
You should have a funnel, but
Yeah, we need a funnel.
And my hand ties.
Jamie, get some paper towel because it's about to go down.
Going down.
We're going down. Oh, geez.
Down.
Ta-da!
Oh, it went on my skin.
It's hand sanitizer. Rub it in.
I mixed mine a lot.
You did. That looks good.
Oh.
Give it a little shake.
That looks good, Seiji.
That's cool.
I don't think a lot of the gel got in there. I think it's mostly, I'm pretty sure she's got mostly rubbing alcohol.
Seiji did a good mix on hers.
You might need to dump that back in and mix it more.
Yeah, I will.
Good job, Seiji.
Told you, she's a slime pro. She knows about this.
That's
stuff.
perfect.
Guys,
It's about to go down.
it's about to go down, sister. It's going down.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sage has a good amount of aloe in there too. Dump some aloe chunks in there, guys.
Barely any of.
I think that's why a funnel's probably better.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just like get it all in there.
All right, for my expertise, what I think I'm gonna do is dump a little bit of that out.
Oh
Straight in
my
there.
heck.
Straight in
What would
there.
I do without you? You're the genius.
I know.
I mean,
That's so smart. I always do things the hard way. That's just how I operate.
All right.
mine doesn't smell like enough.
Oh.
Right, not like that.
All right. Shake it up.
Does
This
Seiji's
one-
need more?
Is it? Yeah.
Why do we always make such a mess?
It's because we're big kids, huh? All right, like that. And for mine, I'm just gonna go straight in with the aloe in there. I like to freestyle sometimes.
Okay.
I think mine needs more scent.
How many drops?
Just a couple. Put in 5?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, geez.
I think I need a little bit more. I only have 2 tiny drops. I didn't get it to 2. I just did 1.
You did one big one.
I think I need a little bit more.
All right, this is a magic potion right here.
It's green. We didn't even have to use your bowl. It's a little bit green.
Maybe I'll try.
Some just got on my nose.
I think there needs to be way more gel though.
You were so confident with how you had it going.
I know. Either way, it's gonna get the job done.
I think I need more.
Go ahead and put a little bit more. Just don't put too much. Like, that was smart with the clear because you could see how much you had in there. Can you hold Seiji's bottle?
We had one big one.
Oh, it's not too liquidy.
It's green. You added more.
'Cause I want mine to be more like the gel.
Not hand title.
Not sanitizer.
Not hand sanitizer. I opened mine just water.
Do you need more gel?
And that's what kind
Maybe not so easy.
well, mine kind of.
This is like the off-brand hand
called The
sanitizer.
Sanders sanitizer.
It's the bootleg sanitizer.
Sanitizer.
Mine's not bad.
I like that.
Sanitize it. Just make sure before you use it, you just shake it. And
Mine doesn't look any color.
Mine either. Okay, so it wasn't super easy. But we got to it.
we ended up
eventually.
freestyling it.
Yeah. So I don't know how much of what to put inside of it. But
Basically, if you have a
Mine's
little
still
bit of
water.
alcohol in there, rubbing alcohol, and a good mixture of the aloe to where it's somewhat thick, you did a good job.
Look how watery mine is. Mine's just water.
Sage is not working.
Hey, that's why you can't pick pink.
Yeah, that's why you can't pick pink. Just comes out watery if you pick a pink case, so don't pick
This
pink.
is pretty good.
Yours is good.
If you dumped my whole thing out, it would come out. I did a little bit of it.
Look, yours is pretty good. Look.
Maybe it's just whatever's left under, yeah,
See?
the cap.
It was the cat.
You just have to really shake it.
No germs.
No germs.
No germs.
So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below anything else you'd like to see us do. But Ken's got some followers to shout out on our Instagram.
All right. Seiji, can you help me?
Yip_Ike.
Okay, that's one. Yip_Ike.
J_boy11.
Nice. J_boy11. And finally, Romeo_Belfort.
Thanks for following us, you guys. So make sure that you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below if you try this experiment, because we think it'll be interesting to see if anyone did a better job than we did.
And I'm sure you did.
Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.